sa kaliwa.
Mahal.
Isa, ito na. We're still in Manitoulin Island trying to make our way to our cottage. And ayan, you can see a lake on the left. I have no idea what lake that is. Maalan ba?
Mahal.
Okay.
There's a reed blowing.
It's a big lake.
Canada's Lane. Big Lake.
Big lake.
They call it Big Lake, baby.
Let's go to the small. Ayun nga, nakita ko. Let's go to the small lake. Baka dun din. Oh nga, big nga, oh. Kita nyo naman, my goodness. This is the road to, ano yan? Honora Bay. And so far, we've seen a few houses. Pero talagang, ano, puro green. Ang ganda. Yung Camp Mary Ann, yan yung tinitingnan ko. Camp Mary Ann Resort. I never got to talk to them. So, dito pala yan. So, we're traveling, ano to? East, west, north, south? Anyway.
Now we're pag ano.
So, we're traveling east ngayon. Grabe. Wonder how long this... Ay, ang ganda naman.
Yeah, so
Imagine,
private, ano
if you live here, tapos ay lang yung... Bili na nga tayong bahay dito.